Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites: your level, weapon slots, and enough cash to buy or upgrade. Once done, free inventory space and equip movement tools so you can chase spawns quickly. Next, travel to the event island or the NPC location where the Bloodshell Edge quest or drop appears. Make sure to join a populated server to speed up encounters. If there's a required quest line, accept the opening quest now. You need that progression to unlock the Edged Sword path. Once you're in position, focus on farming the exact mob that drops bloodshell parts. You want consistent kills, so rotate servers if spawns are scarce. While you grind, complete the repeatable mini-quests tied to the sword. They often award part tokens or crafting materials. Then, take gathered parts to the crafting NPC and start the combine sequence. Timing matters, since some windows are time-limited. Make sure to stay patient and persistent. Drop rates can be low, so maintain momentum and track your progress. You finish by performing the final combine or purchasing the last piece, then check the Bloodshell Edged Sword's durability and stats before equipping. After that, infuse or awaken it if the system exists in your server, and immediately test it in a short boss fight to confirm expected damage and abilities. If you fail to obtain parts, switch to a different server, team up with others to increase spawn rates, or reset the questline to force a respawn. That one troubleshoot tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.